Today we are installing the rear luggage racks for the Ibex 450. No surprise that they arrived with no instructions, so let's see if we can figure this out. You will need a 4, 5, and 6 millimeter hex wrench, a 1-inch hole saw, and 10 and 13 millimeter wrenches to install these plates. Taking off the stock panels, there might be a better way, but I just yanked them off. Keep an eye out for the white clips and small black push clips that will go flying. The inside of my panels had circle depressions that line up with the bolt holes you need for the new parts. I believe newer bikes might have a cover now, so no drilling. This hole saw is pretty worn out and needs to be replaced. This sleeve was distorted from the factory, so it needed to be drilled out. The exhaust side is where the extra wing goes. This will use the 4 millimeter bolts. Make sure to use some Loctite and you're done.